Students always want to get good marks in exams. There are some people who will tell you that it is all about effort and hard work. If a student has the time, they can get high marks in the exam by putting in a lot of effort. But for some students, it is not about hard work or time but just about luck. There are many factors such as timing, concentration and luck that can play an important role in getting good exam results. For many students, exams are when they least feel like trying their hardest. But this could also be a bad way to study as well as an excuse not to do anything at all. The key to success in exam is preparation. Some students are not satisfied with their performance and do not get good marks in exams. But if they follow certain tips and steps, then they can achieve success in exams. Students can use various online sources for preparation which can provide them with different types of material like videos, books, study guides, etc. They should choose the type of material that suits them the best. Students should also allot their time so that they don't feel stressed or pressured to prepare for an exam in a short period of time. They should also take care of their physical health as well so that it doesn't affect their performance during an exam. In addition to these strategies for success in exams, it is also important for students to work on their attitude towards preparations and be willing to learn new things while still pursuing old ones.